Welcome to Maths with Gloria. In today's class, we'll be looking at variation. So variation is a relationship between quantities, that is two or more quantities. So we'll have different type of variation. We have direct variation, inverse variation, joint variation, partial variation. So we are going to take some questions relating to each of these variation. I want to look at the first variation, which is direct variation. When I'm talking about direct variation, the increase of one variation, the increase of a quantity will lead to the increase of another quantity. While the decrease of one quantity will lead to the decrease of another quantity. And direct variation is represented by A varies directly as B. Or we can also write it as A equal to K times B, where this our K is the constant. So let's look at these questions. Now, question 1. If X varies directly as Y, that is, if X varies directly as Y, and when our X equal to 6 and Y equal to 18, we are told to find the relationship between X and Y. So our X is what? 6, right? So we are going to use the formula, which is X equal to K times B. So our X is 6 equal to, the K is constant, is not given. We are the one that will look for it. Then times B, which is 18. Sorry, this is Y. So times Y. So 6 equal to 18x. So our 6 equal to 18k. So we divide, for us to look for our k, which is a constant, we are going to divide both sides of the equation by 18. So we now have 6 equal to 18. Sorry, so we now have 6 divided by 18 equal to 18k divided by 18. So 18 will cancel 18. This is 1, 6 here, 1, 6 here, 3. So therefore, our k equal to 1/3. So the relationship between the X and Y is this. This is the relationship between them. This is the relationship between X and Y. So we are going to replace this K with 1/3. So the relationship is now X equal to, what's our K? 1/3 times Y. So this is the relationship connecting X and Y. Question 2. If P varies directly as what? Q. So our P, the value of P equal to 140 when Q is equals to 35. So find the relationship between A. We have two questions under this, under number 2. So find the relationship between P and Q. So first of all, solve for our Q. So we can use it to solve for our K, so that we can look for the relationship. Remember, this is the relationship connecting them. P equal to K times Q. So this is the relationship connecting them. Our P is what? 140 equal to K, which is a constant, times 35. 140 is equals to 35k. So divide both sides by 35. To look for our k, divide both sides by 35. So it will now be 40 divided by 35 equal to 35k divided by 35. So our K, 35 will cancel 35. 35 here 1, 35 here 4. So K equal to 4. So our question A now. So the relationship connecting them is P equal to, remember this is a relationship, P equal to, our K is what? 4Q. So this is the question, the answer to question A. So question B, our Q, they say we should find Q. We are not given Q when our P is equals to 28. So go back to this. This is how we're going to do it. We'll go back to this relationship and use it to solve for our P. So when we go back to the relationship, our P is what? What's our P? We are given P, right? Which is 28. But we are not given Q. So our 4Q. So for us to solve for Q, we divide both sides of the equation by 4. So we now have 28 over 4 equal to 4 divided by 4. So 4Q divided by 4. So 4 here, 4 here. We'll go then 4 here 1, 4 here 7. So therefore our Q equal to 7. So we are going to stop here. In our next class, we are going to look at inverse variation. We're going to look at inverse variation. So before we leave, I'd like to give you an assignment. I want you to solve this and leave your answer on the comment section. Just one question. If A varies directly as B and A equal to 3.6 and B equal to 4. Find the relationship. Find the relationship between A and B. So solve and leave your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.